He complained about this. What's up, y'all? Back with another vlog. On today's episode is another Copart vlog. So today I'm picking up two Infiniti Q50s. One is a car for me. One is a car for my customers. He requested a car, located it, found it. He wanted a specific color. I got it for him. Yeah, he already paid for the car, picked it out, already liked it, and this is one that he's gonna buy and fix up on his own. So I don't gotta complete. I'm just picking it up, bought it, picked it up, and dropping it off tonight. As I can see it today, we're at a different Copart. I usually go to the one in Philadelphia. This is the one in Jersey, and yeah, these are Copart cars here. Alright, y'all, see we got kicked out the yard again. Yeah, I guess you need a vest just to load up. I mean, just to even be in the yard.
Y'all sell vests?
Yes.
Y'all sell them?
We don't sell them. You need one, go in the office, they'll lend you one.
I appreciate that, thank you.
Oh, he is scooping it like that. Oh, alright. What you gotta say now? We go out there, we gotta sit in the car.
Treating us like a young boy.
Yeah, treating us like young boys, like we don't really do this. But yeah, nobody giving y'all. This is one of the best Copart. Hold on.
What you say? He complained about
his shoes. Nigga, we all got slippers on.
He complained about this.
What the fuck?
It's cool. We're just gonna let him do it, and we're just gonna pull out right there.
First is the vest.
He said give the vest to somebody else that got shoes on.
I got shoes on.
Tim don't even know what he doing.
Alright, yeah, put it in the middle.
Move back, I guess. Huh? Or go on the other side.
I got this extra large.
Got a man at the crib for that cashier for get his shit all I had. Get a plan and this shit and make it work. Sell 100 pieces a day. Niggas think I'm out here selling perks. She got a man at the crib for that cashier for all I did was.
I mean, y'all told us we can't wear slippers.
No shoes, so I just try to bring it to right here, and I guess it just tipped over.
You go there, too.
Sell 100 pieces a day. Niggas think I'm out here selling perks. She got a man at the crib for that cashier for all I did was get a shit. All I had in the work. I just bought this.
Alright, yeah. Now that we got all that figured out and dealt with, let me introduce y'all to this hot shot that we just started. You know, we just bought a truck and a Regg, a 3-car trailer. We're gonna start like hauling cars, you know, for other companies, commercial companies, whatever. So we just thought it would be a great investment to do that. We already need it for a Copart. Picking up one car at a time is annoying, you know what I mean? So we just stepped our weight up and got a 3-car trailer. If y'all need any transportation, you know, hit me up in the DMs. I'll take care of y'all. We can do long travels, short travels, car delivery anywhere you want. Yeah, and disregard everything that happened earlier. It was all their fault. The guy loaded up wrong. I guess he forgot it was a broken wheel on the one side, and it just tipped the car over real quick. And it was cool. We got all that figured out now. But yeah, we're going on our way to go pick up Infiniti Q50 number 2, and we see y'all there. Just arrived to Copart number 2. Got title. Back to the car. Hopefully the car come out soon. I'll pick up the camera once the car come back out. They don't care. They'll make the cars hit each other and everything. Unload on it.
3 hours later.
Still waiting. As you can see, they got even motorcycles in here. That's a fresh Harley.
I don't know how much it went for. Comment in the comments what y'all think that went for.
Yeah, comment down below. Let us know what y'all think that sold for.
First
I ain't gonna lie, probably like 2,000. That's crazy. That, bro, believe it or not, the motorcycles probably, them joints really cost bread, bro. Like
that joint
30,
the
40,000.
on that joint still shining.
That joint fresh. Yep, this the car we picking up right here. Right on time. Second Q50. Right there. Second Q50 for the day. Just picked it up. Got the customer here, checking out the car, making sure he wanted it and everything. Well, yeah. Yep, this is the car. Light front end damage, not too bad. Second Q50. Alright, y'all, this is my customer car. This is my customer. Let him know what you think, man.
Listen, man, I got the car because it matches me. Brown.
Brown on the outside.
And the inside, check the inside out.
White.
You know what I'm saying? It's white like my teeth, you feel me? This shit,
Yes.
This my spec, just like me.
This light fix, man. We're gonna get this on the road soon. If y'all want, he got a YouTube too. Y'all want to check him out? I'm gonna put. Yeah,
VQ unknown. Y'all gonna be seeing it. If y'all probably got me on Instagram. If y'all don't, go check me out. This is gonna be on here. Y'all gotta go check the video if y'all don't follow me already. But yeah.
All right, see y'all soon. What's up, y'all? It's been a couple days now, man. We're moving pretty fast. That Q50 is already done, fixed, and sold. Both of them actually. One I didn't have to fix because the customer bought it as is. He wanted to work on it himself. The black one, already got parts, got it painted it, fixed it all up, got it sold like within 2 days. That sold pretty fast. You know, the Q50s, we had a million of them, so I know all the ins and outs of them cars. Got it fixed really quick, didn't need no like framework or anything, just straight slap on parts and painted it and posted up. 2 days later, got sold, someone picked it up. Yeah, so on to these questions. I know I've been getting a lot of questions about, you know, how to on these Copart things and questions about the Copart. I know as much as y'all want to see the action, but gotta make everyone happy with these comments. So I'm here right now trying to answer some of y'all questions. Starting at number one. I'm outside. Do you think you could get a 2014 Charger for $1,500? Thoughts? Yeah, probably not. I don't know. It's just whatever I'll find. Do you have any resources on exporting cars? Appreciate your content. Yeah, I actually do. Like I seen earlier in the video, my brother is starting a hot shop business, so you know I'll leave his info down below or something, or pop it up right here. Yeah, so if you ever need cars transported from, like, you know, out the states, in the states, he could pick it up, drop it off, he do all that. So yeah, I'll leave his info down below. When buying these cars and this kind of shit, how do you know the frame is bent? Honestly, just from pictures. You just a risk you gotta take. You see, as in my video in the previous, the car was worse than I thought. So yeah, that was just a risk I took. So yeah, it's just mainly just a risk. You can't really tell from pictures. It's hard to tell from pictures, but most of the time you could tell from pictures. But yeah, so when it says retail value, do I have to pay that when I win the bid? No, you pay whatever you win the bid for, plus the taxes and fees, whatever they charge you. But retail value, they're just telling you what the car is worth. Thanks for the vid. It has a lot of really good info. And how would I go about buying parts where? That's a good question, because that's a sauce that, you know, I can't give up to everybody. I did give y'all a little sauce. Look up APO, but you gotta have a shop account. I mean, you don't have to have a shop account, but you get a better discount with a shop account. So I can tell you that, or eBay, junkyard. That's all I can tell you, man. You're gonna have to pay for that one. Questions on repairing. Do you own a car shop? Or I don't, but I have friends that own body shops, so I have multiple body shops that I take it to. So one busy here, and then if I needed to read a certain time and they can't do it, I'll bring it to the next guy. A lot of things I do myself, like if it's just slap on parts, and I'll slap on all the parts on myself. Then I'll bring it to my guys just to paint it, because obviously I don't paint. That's something I do want to get into. I respect this dude helping other people get into a lot of people. Other people don't want to see you win. Yeah, I mean, honestly, helping. I don't mind helping people because there's enough money in the world for everyone to make money. So can't be greedy. It's not like I'm gonna buy every car and sell every car of my own. Do you use a bank to buy your cars from Copart? I use my bank. Like my money in my bank. Yeah, I don't get a loan. No. Get a mic. That's something I do need to invest in.
Coming soon. Coming soon.
Good shit. Keep it up, G. You really did all these. You really did all these.
I don't know.
Sorry, but appreciate the good shit though. Taxes. Do they charge taxes? Yes, they do charge taxes. I didn't see anything about the fees. Yeah, I didn't want to show too much on the paper because I got my personal information on there. So yeah, yes, they do charge taxes. A lot of taxes actually. Bro, how are you gonna do this? You seem hella confident. So I got faith. I lost confidence, then I gained it back. Said a guy said if the engine is Gucci, then everything else is nothing. Yep. I mean the engine. I'm hoping it's Gucci. It's spin, so we definitely know it's not locked up. YouTube has recommended me this channel, so I instantly subscribe. Appreciate that. Do you need the money up front to pay, or how does that paying situation work? So yes, if you win the bid and you can't pay for it, I guess it's a fee. I never been in that situation yet, so I really can't really give you the answer on that. But yes, you do have to pay for everything you win on. Like any bids that you win on, you have to pay, or you get like a penalty fee. That's what the $400 deposit is for. So yeah, you do have to have the money up front. I tried to do this and wasn't able to do anything. So what do I have to do to allow me to look for no dealer's license required? So I'm guessing I need to pay for a membership. Please, more information. Say, nigga, curse, dude. You gotta pay for a membership.
They trying to buy cars without the membership.
Trying to buy a car without a membership. Yeah, dude. I said it in there. I fuck with the video. You said the same thing a couple times in different ways that threw me off. Hey, man, I'm getting nervous on the camera. This vlogging stuff ain't easy. Good info, blah, blah. Honestly, I think we got all the questions. The rest are just mainly people just appreciating the video, which I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching. I'm definitely gonna get my smoke detector fixed, guys. Beep. I really appreciate y'all turning me up and getting to me. Let me see where the view is at. As of right now, we had 88,000 views. I really appreciate y'all, man, tuning in. I'm gonna keep pushing out this good content for y'all. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time.
Sell 100 pieces a day, niggas think I'm out here selling perks. She got a man at the crib, and for that cash, she a flirt. All I